channel. If you're returning, thank you so much. If you're new, hi, my name is Lisa. Welcome to the Polishcious Nails family. I have a wee little haul from Clear Jelly Stamper. So I wanted to share it with you. There is a new brand in here that this video will be debuting it. It is a luxury gel polish brand, and I hope to bring more to my channel. Sorry. I also am in the middle of working on a new venture. I'm not going to say exactly what it is yet because I don't know if it's going to work out, but if it does, it's super exciting and I can't wait to share it with you. So look for a video hopefully about it in the coming months. I think it's going to take some months to get it all organized, but anyway, let's give you a sneak peek to get the party going, and then we'll go through it. Oh, please open. Okay, we're open. Oh, yeah, we did it. Oh, we did it, yeah. Okay. Just a little sneaky peek there. All right. Oh, yep, hit the camera. That's what I do. Okay, let me move this and get you closer, and we'll show you the guys. First, we have two polishes here. A yellow and orange. I know that things online seem like it depends on your monitor or your phone and the color. I expected this yellow, I expected it to be a little bit lighter, but it's perfect. There's nothing wrong with it. There's nothing wrong with this either. I just expected this orange to be brighter, but it's neat. Okay, so this is, so I know this is You Are My Sunshine, and my mom, I miss her. It's April 2nd, I'm filming this. She passed away April 7th, 2013. So it's been 11 years, it's hard. It's just silly. Okay, so this is You Are My Sunshine. I'm pretty sure this is Marmalade. Let me see here. Yeah, Marmalade. Okay, so I was right. Let's open them here. This is, oh, yeah, these are 5 mils, $1.49. It's beautiful. I was looking for I was looking for this. Oh yeah. This is actually my first orange. I have none. Oh, it's gorgeous. Yay. I wanted it for tulips. I've never seen a pastel tulip. So I just thought, this is perfect. And then this is You Are My Sunshine. Growing up, my mom always sang You Are My Sunshine to me. She even hand wrote You Are My Sunshine with a sun on a card that my sister brought me that I will be tattooing on me once I can get there. So this is 008, I'm pretty sure, because that way it looks funny. Yeah, this is 8. Don't have a yellow either. I don't think so. Where's my polishes? Not yet. This will be the first yellow. Oh, hit the camera. Sorry about that. Oh yeah. Oh, that's beautiful. I have to do it fast because these do drip. Unlike gel polishes. I am looking. I can read. I'm using an iPhone 12 to film. I actually can switch early, so I can turn this one in and get a new, well, they have the 15 out right now. 16's coming out sometimes this year. If you have a 15, let me know how the video is. I'm trying to find videos on YouTube explaining the difference in cameras. I know it says it's better camera. I just don't want to switch phones and my videos be different. I don't know, I'm weird, but those two. And then we have 2 plates. Excuse me, frog in my throat. Now anyone that knows me knows that my favorite flower is the daffodil. And so I typed in daffodil into their search. 2 plates came out. I chose this one first. It has the daffodil here and the daffodil there. This is CJS H52. H standing for holiday, I believe. This is an Easter. I think it's cute. Some bunnies there. It says bah. Bunnies, and look at the chirk. Isn't it cute? Happy Easter. Easter has passed, but for me growing up, it's always been in April, so I consider April Easter month. It's also spring, so you will see Easter and spring nails this month, and then more towards the end and continuing until summer, spring. But there's a tulip there, a couple of them. Purple looks like a daisy. Nope. But look at those daffodils. Oh, see, when I get close, it changes the bright. That's weird. Okay, there we go. Nope, see? Ooh, learning. Yeah, there's my ring light. I've always wanted to change I need to change my lighting. So I'm kind of looking at one of those half moon lights or a light that attaches from the side of a desk and you can put over, because this thing is in front of me. But here are there's the daffodils right there. Tulips. But you know what? I see that daffodil right here and I think watercolor. It'd be neat to do that. Or this. Yes. Are those eggs? They are. Or it's, yep. Cute. Oh no, that's for these. Oh, this is a 3-parter. Oh, cool. Oh, that's a 3-parter. I like that. Super excited to try that. And then I didn't get this at Christmas when it came out. And then I saw a video, which I'll link below, of Debbie from Clear Jelly Stamper using this to stamp Easter or spring pastels. CJS C84. And there's also an E3, but I chose this one because it's just, the lines are better, but I'm really excited to use this. So this one comes with 2 sheets. They're the same. That's okay. That's all right. So this is what you get. And you can still do these without the trees, and you can use any color. So like if you flip it over, there's a step-by-step guide. So like to get that, you do this in those colors, so those 2 would be the same color. So you could use purple, yellow, you know, to get that. You can skip the green or the trees there. Yeah, definitely exciting. You could also just mix and match. Here is the new, you know, that kind of like, oh, this is what it would be on the nail. This is what this would look like. Cellophane, I don't know, the clear sheet. And then this is what the sheet looks like. Nope, plate. So you know, you can do these two. This one, and then scoot to this one. You can do all sorts. They've got different plaid plates. There's a few I saw in there. I know another video to see it. I'll link it below. If you watch my video and you don't see it linked below, let me know so that I can link it. Maybe I should watch my videos again. Yeah, we'll have to figure that out. But I'm super excited to try this out. You'll see it. Just get it in there like that. Okay. And then we have ochre. I've got a few of these. I should try one. To make candy. Alright. Because I know this. Okay. So I'm not gonna lie. The video that she uses these in, she uses this new polish set. It's the small polish kit Spring Bloomer. It's sheer 7-piece. I'm super excited. Oh, new box. Ta-da! So you get a blue and a pink and like a turquoise, and then a green, and then a purple, and then like There's an orange here. That's peachy, and then an orange. Super cool, right? Okay, can I push this down? Okay. Okay, let me see. Excuse me again. Are they in order of number? Yep. 237S. Put some bubbles in here just to make sure I can. Oh, yes. So it doesn't look sheer in the bottle to me, but I know when I was watching her, over, depending on what you have as the base, it was sheer, but the crossing over makes different, you know, different colors. That's really cool. 238S. There's the pink. Oh, it's beautiful. I have a little bit of the edge here, so I wonder if I can do this fast enough to. Okay, I will fiddle with that later. Okay. And then we have 239S. Oh, she's pretty. Oh, yeah. It's like a turquoise. Oh, it's a turquoise. It is. It's beautiful. I'm so excited. Okay. The green is a 240S. Wait. Look at that. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. These are all 5 mils, of course. And this is 241S. Purple. Oh. Oh, yes. It does have a pink turn. Like, some would say, we all see different color differently, really. Some would say, that's pink. It could be. But this is more pink. This is me's like it's okay. 242S. So this is like a peachy orange. Excuse me. Oh, it's lovely. Oh, I think peach is the Pantone color. And then finally we have, did I say the number? 242 and 243S. Yes. And this is orange. Pastel. Oh. Look at that. It's beautiful. Yay. Now this is just a quick haul video. So you will see me use these. And I can't know the word. Okay, so let's put that there. Stop moving that around. Okay, last, certainly not least, I have a new brand that I've brought to my channel. This is the Coco and Claire Luxury Gel Polish, or Gel Nail Lacquer they call it. They're 12 mils. These bottles are amazing. They have like, it looks wet there. Oh, I remember seeing these on a video and thinking, oh my goodness, look at that. And they look wet. So they have so many colors on Clear Jelly. And I did go to their website. So many there too. I'm gonna get more. I know they have a new spring collection out. It's quite expensive, but we'll see. Maybe I'll get a couple of them. I'm not exactly sure. But today I have for you number 154 Fresh Mint. Oh, and mint is my favorite green shade. Look at that, that's beautiful. Even look at that in the bottle. And then of course, purple being my favorite color. I had to get a purple. It was hard to choose. I chose 213 Aware. It had some sparkle in it. I thought, that's neat. I have nothing like this in my collection. Okay. so we can get it close enough. It's gritty. It looks gritty. I think it's very cool. So I don't exactly know what you would call that. Let me see if I can click on it. Yep, it's just a pastel purple cream with white and purple dots and copper hexes. But it's just very, very cool. So I did open to check my package, and I did do swatches. So here is the fresh mint. So here is the, what am I rubbing on there? There is the mint green, fresh mint. Yeah, I wonder what that is. And then the Aware matte, glossy. Very cool, right? Oh, I have nothing like it in my collection. Cannot wait to use that. Very cool. This perturbs me though. So let me see. Wonder what it is. Is it from my gloves? Maybe? Not sure. Did it come out? I don't even know. But there we are. Thank you very much for watching. I look forward to bringing more Coco and Claire luxury gel nail lacquer. I cannot wait to use everything. You will see a video coming. Hit that like and subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I release a video. I hope you have a wonderful day. I will see you in my next video. Bye!